In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add carousel in Squarespace. If you want to showcase a set of images in a clean, swipeable gallery, a built-in carousel section is the quickest way to make that happen. We'll add the section, pick a carousel style template, and replace the placeholders with your own images. Start on the page you want to update in the Squarespace editor. Move your cursor between existing content until you see the Add Section button, then click it. Sections are the building blocks of a Squarespace page, so creating a dedicated one for your carousel keeps your layout tidy and easy to manage later. In the section library that opens, choose the Images category. This area is filled with pre-designed layouts made for visual content, including carousels. These options already come with navigation, spacing, and type treatments that align with your site's design, so you're starting with a strong foundation. Browse the options and select a carousel-like template that fits your content. Pick something that clearly rotates through slides rather than a static grid. If your images are mostly vertical, choose a layout that doesn't crop them too tightly. For wide landscapes, a full-width carousel often looks best. You can fine-tune details afterward, so focus on overall movement and framing. Once the section is on the page, click the small pencil icon on the section or its image block to edit. This opens the editor for that carousel and exposes each slide. Working slide by slide helps you keep the design consistent while swapping content. Click. Replace on a placeholder image to swap it with your own. Replacing keeps the style settings from the template intact, so your spacing and alignment don't shift unexpectedly. Aim for consistent aspect ratios across your images to minimize cropping, and use descriptive file names to stay organized. Choose Upload File, then select your image from your computer. Squarespace adds it to your site library and updates the preview immediately. For crisp, fast-loading slides, use optimized JPEG or PNG files at appropriate dimensions. Repeat the replace and upload file actions on the remaining slides until every placeholder is covered. That's it. You've added a carousel section, chosen a fitting template, opened the editor, replaced the stock images, and uploaded your files. Give the page a quick preview on desktop and mobile to confirm the flow, and you're ready to present your images in a polished, interactive way.